Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor video. You may often want to send copies of files out to your users, and depending on their age and level of skill with computers, having them go to a website or a file share may be difficult. AB Tutor offers various options to push files to clients or to collect them. The first option is the Send Files action. Select the clients or groups you wish to send files to and click on Send Files. This will show a tree view of your local computer, allowing you to find the file or files that you want to send and drag them into the panel at the bottom of the window. By default, they will be set to copy to the same location on the remote computer. However, you can change the destination by right-clicking on them. Simply enter the folder you wish to copy the files into. There are a couple of special locations as well. If you enter %desktop%, then the file will be copied onto the client user's desktop. %mydocuments% will copy the file into their My Documents folder. You can also add subfolders onto the end if you want, for example %mydocuments%\maths. If the folder doesn't exist, it will be automatically created. Once all the files you wish to send are in the list, click Send to push them out to your clients. You will see a new window with progress bars for the file transfers. You can also transfer entire folders in one go. Simply add them to the list and they will be sent along with their contents. There is an option to compress all the files before sending them. For photos and videos, this is unlikely to help as they are already fully compressed. However, text files, Word documents and so on often compress quite well. We can do the same thing in reverse and collect files from the client computers. Again, select the clients you wish to copy from, but this time click on Collect Files. In the first field, enter the file name of the files you wish to search for. You can use wildcards here. For example, entering star.jpg will find all JPEG files. Star.star will find absolutely all files in the folder you specify. Next, enter the folder on the client machine that you want to check for files. Like with sending files, you can specify the folder exactly with its full path, or you can use %desktop% or %mydocuments% to access the current user's desktop or My Documents folder. The third field allows you to specify where on your computer you would like to save the files. The ellipsis button allows you to browse for the right folder. Once all these fields are complete, click on Get File Listing to search for all the files that match your filters. These will be displayed in the bottom part of the window, allowing you to select which ones you want to copy. The list will show which computer and which user the files are coming from, so you can ensure you get the right ones. Once you're happy with your selection, click Collect Files, and AB Tutor will start copying them onto your computer. If you wish, you can also have the client automatically delete the files after copying them across. As you can see, the files are automatically renamed to show the original file name and the host name and username for the session they were copied from. The third and final way to move files between computers is the file transfer. Unlike the other two, this can only be used with a single client. When you select the action, a window will open showing tree views of both your computer and the client computer's file systems. Files can be copied either way between the computers by simply dragging them from one panel to the other. I hope this has been a useful introduction to transferring files with AB Tutor, but if you have any questions, please email us at support@abtutor.com. Thanks for watching.